Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to begin by accessing settings and choosing display section. Now click on styles over here and pick the best theme for you. I will go with Bloom. When you're ready, select apply. Now when I click home button, as you can see, theme of my smartphone has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, select styles, and this time click on this plus icon. Now you can change font style, tap on next after each step, color of your icons in tab menu, icon shape, and even layout. When you're ready, name your theme however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish and click on done. Then select apply, and as you can see, theme of my device was changed again. If you want to go back into the default one, just access the same settings, click on Moto theme and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!